So, just only my tomatoes are ready. Okie dokie. These are my onions, ones that I crushed. They smell so good. Put some of that contrast. And this is one of the paste that I messed up. I couldn't open it, so I ended up breaking that container. And my tomatoes are in here. My paste is in here. Okay. Get our waters and then let the magic happen. Put in my chicken. I had a little beef, but chicken is more, so yep. It is pre-dried in the oven for effective results. The paba. Lower the fire and put some salt. There we go. Add a little of this Casablanca. Flavor is never enough. Of course, there is pepper, the one I crushed. Wait for it. Usually, a little heat is what we are doing. And babam. This is hot. I'm gonna use this regular cup. Okay. I'm using this. I think that's enough. I'll add some more. Okay, that's good. Waters. Raise the fires. I'll test. I feel everything else except the salt, so I'll put a little more. And I'll bring my ailment, which is black pepper. With paba. There we have it. Gonna keep it on and then see how the magic happens. Back the salt, put back this. Should leave my cayenne here. And Casablanca. Put this in here. This in here. wash. Gonna wash this. Bless you. Whew. Yeah, the hot pepper is showing off. It is. Yeah. Bro. That's crazy, I know. This is how it's going. I think I'm getting a handle on my jollof. It is the jollof. This is how I saw it be done, so I'm doing it. And the jollof looks like it's ready. Oh my God, Nigerian babe me. Oh my goodness. Well, shout out to all the jollof people. I guess that's what they say. The jollof people. I did this, Lord. I can't wait to try it. Bon appetit. Look at that. It is done. It is deeded. It is done. Oh my goodness. That was really nice and easy. I loved it. Mujetulie. We're gonna try it. That's for sure. I'm all for the trying. Ooh, baby. Who does not like food? Let's see. This is the testament to my jollof. I'm initiated in the jollof family. Let's go. I would probably put ketchup on it, but let's first try it. That is fire. Woo.